out of it.
Kenya's manufacturing sector has received a major boost after Craft Beverage, the maker of African Originals, secured a 130 million shilling capital injection to scale up local manufacturing. The funding is expected to deepen the use of locally sourced ingredients and widen distribution at a time when demand for premium homegrown beverages is rising. Here is Esther Diana with more on how the investment is growing the role of small manufacturers in driving value addition while supporting rural supply chains.
According to the beverage manufacturer, this fresh capital comes at a time when investors are paying closer attention to physical consumer products, a sector that has been overshadowed by Kenya's tech-driven narrative. Speaking today, African Originals Chief Executive has attributed its proper placement, youthful consumer brands, and Kenya's potential for the investment. The company will channel the funding into upgrading production facilities, expanding distribution networks, and speeding up product innovation.
We've just secured some additional money from our strategic investors. Our strategic investors, when I say a strategic investor, it's someone who can really understand our category. So they are also a beverage company, a large beverage company in Mauritius called Phoenix Beverages. And that's part of the opportunity, I think, if you want to go out and try and find some funding. Find people who really resonate with what you are looking for and who are in your category as well, because they will be able to help in other ways outside of money. So they can help with technical expertise, they can help with exports, so we currently export to them. So there's a lot of ways that the relationship can be really helpful outside of just money as well.
To upscale Kenya's manufacturing sector, the manufacturer says it is important to continue investing in it. This while pointing out that investments are a huge barrier to entry for a lot of beverage and alcohol companies in this space, despite a lot of appetite and opportunity for innovation in the manufacturing sector.
Kenya as a whole is a very exciting country. Sometimes when you're in Kenya, you might not realize that, but to people outside, there are a lot of things that are happening in this market that makes it exciting. And one is the consumer and how and that local consumer and what they're looking for is becoming much more sophisticated. We've received $1 million in funding, which we will put towards largely the manufacturing setup.
Despite its footprint in Uganda, African Originals has reiterated that Kenya remains its biggest opportunity to grow its manufacturing capacity. With this funding, the beverage manufacturer aims to double its production capacity and grow its market share to about 3% in Kenya. Esther Diana, KTN, Nairobi.
That well-explained manufacturing story by Esther Diana does it for Business at 1, but I'll take you back to Ndu, who is leading this bulletin, to update you on matters sports.